Have you ever experienced a fall from a horse? If so, you know how it can shake your confidence. Fear and uncertainty can linger far beyond the physical impact. This video will guide you on rebuilding your confidence after such an event. First, acknowledge that your fears are valid. It's normal to feel unsettled. Understand that confidence is built over time, not forced. Talk to fellow riders or a trainer to process your emotions. Remember, fear can protect you, but it shouldn't paralyze your decisions. Next, let's review the fall. An honest assessment can help transform it into a learning experience. Reflect on what led to the fall. Was it a brief moment of distraction or something else? Consult someone who witnessed the incident. It's not about blame. It's about clarity to avoid anxiety. Now, gradual exposure is key. Start with groundwork activities like grooming and lunging. As you gain comfort, progress to walking, then trotting. Set small, achievable goals and celebrate each one. If needed, start with a horse you feel safe on before returning to the one you fell from. Support is essential during this process. If your fall was on your regular horse, consider using a more forgiving mount at first. A patient instructor can help you navigate your confidence levels, pushing you just enough to keep growing. Mental skills play a crucial role in managing fear. Use visualization techniques before riding. Picture yourself riding smoothly. If anxiety arises, practice deep breathing to calm yourself. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations based on your past experiences. Document your progress in a journal. Record small successes to remind yourself of your resilience. Over time, you'll notice your confidence growing, reinforcing the bond with your horse. Recognize that progress is not always linear. Some days will challenge your confidence. But the connection with your horse deepens through trust-building moments, such as hand grazing or simply spending time together. In the long run, remember that every rider faces setbacks. A fall does not define your journey. With patience and commitment, you can turn this experience into a valuable lesson. The most important thing is that you choose to return step by step, ride by ride. If you're ready to rebuild your confidence, start today. Connect with your horse. Reflect on your experiences and embrace the journey ahead. You have the strength to overcome and grow.